Welcome to Invisible Studio Tips and Tricks. Today we'll show you how to create and use original sound effects in your projects. In the video editing module, scroll down and click Add Sound Effects. From here, you can choose from Invisible Studio's sound effects library, upload your own, or generate an entirely new sound effect. To generate, just describe the sound you want, like ocean waves crashing on the shore. Then hit Generate Sound Effect. When your sound effect is ready, you'll get a notification and can drop it right into your project. With Invisible Studio, it's that easy to create the perfect soundscape. Start experimenting with sound effects today. Shape your world, one sound at a time.